Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the limits of Riemann sums. So now I will show you how to answer. We have 4 over 3 in here. That is about 1 plus 1 over 3. So in this situation, I need to separate them into n multiplied by n to the power of 1 over 3. Now, if we look carefully about n to the power of 1 over 3 and k to the power of 1 over 3, we can put this one go in here. And we will have about k over n, everything to the power of 1 over 3. So in this situation, about number 1, I can put into 1 minus 0 in here. That's still about number 1. And we know that we have number 0, so I can put about number 0 next to k over n. So that means this one is about the width. This one is about the length. So because n go to positive infinity, that means we have positive rectangles. They multiply the width and the length each other in here. So that means they start with s equal to number 0 and they stop at s equal to number 1. And this one we can use about the limits of Riemann sums. So we can apply about the integration from 0 to number 1. This one is about the function in here, and that's about s to the power of 1 over 3 ds. Now we need to find the value of this one, and we have s to the power of 1 over 3 plus 1 over 1 over 3 plus 1, and we can put the bounds from 0 to number 1. So I can put number 1 gone here, number 0 gone here, and we have 1 over 3 plus 1 is about 4 over 3. This one we have 4 over 3. We calculate about this one and we have 3 over 4. And this is the final answer of the question in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.